And we're gonna do 1 through 3 because we're already down to 9 days. And yeah, I had to do this because I am notoriously bad at opening things. Like severely, it's a curse. What did we get? Oh, it's makeup. It's actually full makeup. Okay. Okay, we started off strong. Look at that. Did something fall? No. Yeah. So that's adorable. That's a little trio, a 3-shade palette. Okay. I'm Ravenclaw, but this looks like it's for a Gryffindor, so whatevs. All right, number 2. I think this is 2. Where's my tabbity tab? Okay. 2. Oh, this one's not pretty. This is not opening nice and easy. Okay. Oh, a beauty blender. Yeah, they did that. You see that? That is so cute. Perfect. Now we're gonna go on to day 3. So that's 1, 2, 3. Where's 3? Oh, 3's right here. Ooh, it's the wand. So we're thinking like what? Lippy something or other, or eyes? What is it? Okay. Harry Potter. It's mascara. Perfect. Oh, it's got his little scar and everything. Okay, cute. The lightning bolt and glasses. So that was day 1 through 3 of the Profusion Hogwarts Holiday Countdown. I love this. This is adorable. I think this is a great gift for a Harry Potter lover. This is great. It was only $20, so cute. Yeah. I will see y'all later.